Hey friends, it's Melanie and welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm doing a little weekly vlog on what my life has been like since graduating college. I graduated in December. Since then, I've just been at home resting and relaxing, and this is what a week looks like. But I will say no week, no couple days look the same because I just am very free, and I think you guys will see that in this video. So let's get started with the day. Alright guys, it's Monday, and for the past, I don't know, month or so, my mom and I have made this little routine of us going to paint on Mondays. Something I'm really grateful for is that both of my parents pretty much work hybrid schedules, so I've been able to spend a lot of time with both of them since I've been home, which has been so much fun. I feel like I've really aged because now I think I hang out with my parents more than anyone else. But honestly, it's been so much fun, and especially I look forward to these Mondays. So my mom and I are going to a paint pottery house. You guys have probably seen all of my pieces on my Instagram if you follow me there, because they bring me so much joy. We have 3 pieces to pick up today and we're both painting more. And it's not just painting, it turns into a full day. At first it was just painting, and now it's painting and then going to run errands together and then getting lunch. So that's what we're doing today. This is the outfit for today. I feel like this is pretty bright for me. I don't usually wear like fun colored pants, but I really like the wide leg of these, so I thrifted them last week and I just styled it in a very like black and white outfit, which I feel like is also not super me, but I think I like it. I've also been super into all of the dangly jewelry I've been wearing recently. It's probably really annoying to other people, but I like it. So I will see you guys at the paint shop. These are the pieces we made a couple weeks ago.
I'm really happy.
You like them?
Yeah, they turned out nice.
They look good.
Oh, I'm really happy.
I'm painting this yarn bowl, and this is my inspiration for it. To get gas from Costco, but we picked up some pieces that we made a little while ago. I'm gonna do a little reveal of our stoneware pieces.
I love this.
It's really cool.
It looks like Starry Night.
It looks exactly like Starry Night. And show them this one too. She made like matching kind of ones.
It almost looks like the shape of this chain.
And then I made this bowl.
I love that.
It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted. I wanted it to be more like drippy, but you can see the like scallops. I like the inside. The inside's cool. That's it for our little painting update. We're going to get gas and then we're gonna go get brine.
So, are both really big? Like both of them?
They're really good. I like crunchy.
Sugary.
It is quite a bit later now. I've just been at home doing like random tasks, work related things. My dad and I are gonna go play some pickleball, exercising, you know. Back from pickleball, first thing I had to do was of course shower. it was good to run around a little bit. The rest of the night, I have been watching this K-drama with my mom called Marry My Husband, and I think we're gonna finish it tonight. So today's been a full family day, which is like kind of every day, if I'm gonna be honest. I feel like it's the epitome of college kid leaves home, realizes how grateful they are for their parents and how much they miss them. They come back and then you just like follow them around. I feel like so many of my days being home are just like tagging along on my parents' errands and stuff just to like hang out with them. But I'm not gonna lie, I've been enjoying it a lot and it's been really fun. Hopefully just a little reassuring if you're in an unknown stage of your life. Maybe you feel like you don't have a whole lot of structure or a huge plan ahead of you, but I think that's honestly okay. I think that's what a lot of post-grad is figuring things out. Hello friends, it's Tuesday now. I don't know if it is the warm sunny weather. It's been feeling like summer and I woke up with the motivation to clean. So I think I'm gonna try to have a productive little morning, get some cleaning in. I want to do my bathrooms and I also want to clean my car, and then I'm gonna go grocery shop for my family and walk my dog. So we just have a nice, you know, little home productive day ahead of us. We're starting the day off right. I made myself a little lavender latte. So good. Let's put some music on and do some cleaning. Alright guys, so some time has passed. I finished cleaning the bathrooms and I just wanted to show you my outfit before I head out to get some groceries. It is still sunny, so I'm wearing these shorts. They're actually men's boxers from Target, and then I'm gonna wear my New Balances with this. I'm about to go to the grocery store and my dad gave me his list. Does anyone else's parents still use like a paper list? And not only a paper list, and this man circled the things he wants me to pick up. Back from our walk. We are going to clean my car now. Let's go. I think I've done enough cleaning for today, which means I get to check it off my list. I've said this and I swear like every productivity video I have, but I feel like I am nothing without my planner. I rely on it so much, and I am a huge achievement and list person, and I think when I get the question like how are you productive, even though I'm not in school anymore and I don't have assignments to check off my list, I like to make sure, of course, I have my planner, but also have things in my schedule that keep me kind of in some sort of routine. I've checked off pretty much everything I needed to do. In about an hour, I'm going to be going with my dad to visit my grandma. Till then, I think I'm going to go eat a little snack. I want to finish a book. I also want to fit in a quick devotional. I will not lie to you guys, I have not been the best at keeping up with doing like my Bible reading and devotionals. I've talked about my faith a little bit over the years on this channel, but that's something that I really want to reintegrate into my schedule a lot better. This is one that I always go back to. I feel like it has a really nice structure to it. It's just like a page long, so you can always fit it into your morning or your evening. This has slowly but surely become one of my absolute favorite little either like light breakfast or like midday refreshing snack. It's just some Greek yogurt, honey, and then frozen oranges. Kind of use it as a dip almost. I forgot if I told you that this is the book that I'm currently reading. I think I have 2 or 3 more chapters. Also, look how cute my bookmark is. About to head out to go visit my grandma, but I'm gonna pick out my yarn to bring. She loves to crochet, so we usually crochet together for a little bit. I'm just adding to my little granny square stack, so I think I'm just gonna bring a plain color of yarn. Probably not gonna vlog there because I don't know if my grandma wants to be on camera, but I will catch you guys and update you sometime soon. Hello friends, I am clearly back home for the rest of the night. I think I'm probably gonna watch a movie with my parents. I also need to decide what book I'm gonna read next because I finished the ACOTAR series 2 days ago. Then I finished Crying in H Mart today. Therefore, I have no book right now. You guys gave me a lot of recommendations, so hopefully I'll be able to start a new book tonight. But that's pretty much it for today. Hello guys, good morning. We are starting off our Wednesday with, of course, a cup of iced coffee. I just wanted to shout out using maple syrup as your sweetener. Then you're gonna add a little shake of cinnamon. I'm using the Bianco Doppio pods from Nespresso. So good. Anyways, I'm just gonna be staying home and having a pretty relaxing day. It's mostly gonna be reserved for editing. Other than that, I also need to walk wrestle, which I always use as a nice thing to break up my day and get me to go outside. I wanted to film a little DIY thrift flip. Those usually go up on my TikTok, YouTube shorts, and then reel, and I have a couple other more like cleaning things to do. I'm just gonna start off this morning by a quick little devotional, and then I am gonna get straight into the editing. Quite some time has passed. I walked my dog, and then I was cleaning some of my silver jewelry and then editing videos on my phone, and I got carried away and I did that for probably like an hour and a half or 2 hours. I just finished this little like DIY sweater. I basically just changed out the buttons here. I love how it turned out. It was so simple, and I filmed a little video that's gonna go up on like Reels and TikTok on that. Those are the main things I wanted to do today. As I mentioned, it was a big editing day, so I ended up doing a lot of phone editing too, but I still want to finish this video. I think I'm gonna go back to my computer and edit a bit more. Hey guys, it's a lot later from whenever I last filmed, but I'm about to go to bed, but I always like to read a little bit before I sleep. I wanted to update you from earlier in this week when I was still deciding what book I was gonna read next, because I have it figured out now. I like to typically read one fiction and one nonfiction book at the same time. I'll usually read the fiction book a lot faster than the nonfiction one, but I like to at least have options. The nonfiction book I'm reading right now is The Psychology of Money. I actually had to choose a book for like this school assignment. I've actually enjoyed this a lot so far. I feel like it's very digestible. Even though I was a business major, I feel like finance isn't exactly my strong suit, but this is very psychology based, hence the title. It has a lot of short stories and it's actually very interesting. My second book is Lessons in Chemistry. This is one book that I already had on hand that somebody recommended in one of my stories when I was asking for book rec. I have heard of this one multiple times because I feel like it was on a lot of lists, but I wasn't super sure if I was gonna like it because this is the first science romance book I've ever touched, and was very bad at science as a subject. But I'm gonna say I really like the book so far. I'm only like 40 pages in, but I thought it was pretty cute so far. So I'm gonna read a little bit, and that's gonna be it for tonight. Hello guys, good morning and happy Thursday. Something happened with my heatless curls last night and this side is looking wonky. I made myself a really delicious maple latte this morning. I don't have any plans until the evening when I'm going to see my grandma, so I think I'm going to pick up where I left off last night with a little bit more editing. If I'm not editing on my desk, I actually really like editing and doing work on my bed. This lap desk comes so in handy. This might be a little risky, but I finished all my editing, so I'm up to date. I got to actually like dress and put on a little makeup. Sometimes if I'm like home for the whole week and I'm just like in my sweats the whole time, it gets a little like depressing. I've been making a bunch of like random granny squares. Very simple. I was trying to use up a lot of scrap yarn making my very first crochet blanket. I'm actually pretty surprised that I have not made one yet. I'm gonna start stitching it together today and then I'll just keep expanding my blanket until I want it to be a certain length and width. I haven't gotten nearly as far as I thought I was going to on my blanket, so I'm probably gonna come home and work on that a bit more tonight. My dad and I are gonna go grab dinner and visit my grandma, so we're gonna have to put a pause on it for now. Hey guys, and happy Friday. I decided that I want to end this week off with a little fun day for me, which means I'm going to be heading to a cafe in a little bit just to finish up my editing for the week. After that, I'm going to pick up a couple groceries on the way home so that I can bake. Like baking for my family a lot. Honestly, like the stuff goes really quick, which I like because that means I can make more things. This is also what I'm wearing today. It's just a very comfy, cozy outfit, which I love because it's a little bit gloomy out. I just wanted to end off this video. I've just been hanging out and working on my thumbnail, which is kind of funny because I'm still filming this video, but my cookies are in the oven and I think I'm just gonna end off my video here because from editing, I know that this video is already very long, but I just wanted to thank you guys so much for joining me in a little week in my life. I'm so happy to document this time at home where I can rest and be creative and spend time with family, and it's just been so lovely. I'm so glad that you guys could join me for a week, and I'm so glad that you guys can join me for whatever comes next. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.